Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In the name of Allah, who most gracious and most graceful. Excellency Dr. Hairot Lidawati and Dr. Hanifuddin Mahadun as the Director Laraibah Hanifida, Pesantren Sepekan Laraibah Hanifida, and Honorable Almighty Teacher Junior and Senior Laraibah Hanifida, respectable my mom and my dad and my family, and also all my friends who I love. First of say thanks to Allah who give of opportunity so we can learn together each day. Second, salawat and salam to Prophet Muhammad SAW. And so if in front of I swore to present my imagine map under title. Sneezing is when your body must concentration and pray we don't often take this time to stop. Next, number 2, sneezing is simple and influential place of air that helps the body to get rid of irritant and illness and throats like skeleton, teeth and tooth. And number 2, sneezing reflex started with the irritation of the nasal lining as sensed by the cilia. Next, number 4, before sneezer, just before the sneezer, person put up in your teeth. As your teeth muscle compress your life and your vocal cord plus your chest. And I think announce sorry before my nothing. Thank you for assistance this all for me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.